In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Final Fantasy XVI language. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find the language related options for Final Fantasy XVI and how to switch between them. So to do this, just open the game and go over to Config. In here, you will be able to select language settings. So if you go over to the Steam Store page for the game or even the Epic Games Store and you scroll down, you will be able to find them here. So for full language support, they have it on English, French, Italian, German, Spanish, and then Japanese. Of course, this includes audio, but they also offer Spanish Spain, Arabic, Portuguese, Polish, Russian, simplified Chinese, traditional Chinese, and Korean, albeit without the full audio, only interface and subtitles. But regardless, all that you have to do to actually change the language after you go over to the language settings is to choose it from here. So immediately upon choosing any of the languages, you will see everything, so all of the menus are going to be updated. So you will be able to choose the subtitles or the menus, and then you can change the voices. So these are going to be separate. You then have some other options like subtitles, the size of the subtitles, the background of the subtitles, name of the characters when they speak and appear in the subtitles, and you can also include the option to transcribe sounds. And after you set this up, when you go inside of the game, everything will be adjusted. So right now you can see new game, load game, continue are all adjusted, and you can change this at any time by going over to this little speech bubble icon. So when you download the entirety of the game, all of the voices will be included. Usually you would have to open the Steam launcher, right click the game and go over to properties, but for this game in particular, the options are inside of the game itself. So you will be able to configure everything here. You can also change the volume of the voiceover, and this is all you have to do to manage the language settings available in Final Fantasy XVI for PC. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Final Fantasy XVI language. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.